Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. Again, I'm Kuya Clint, where I teach you guys how to play songs easily and in detail. So for today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play Girl at the Station by Grentperez. So first up, I'd just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be basing this guitar tutorial on the acoustic version that he made for this song. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description as well as reference. And I feel like the song is also going to be in 6/8 time signature. So the counting is going to be in 6. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You know what I mean? It's going to be something unique, something special for today's video. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one's right here. First up is going to be the E major chord. That's going to be open, 2, 2, 1, open, open. Next up is going to be the F sharp diminished chord. It's going to be this one right here. That's going to be a dead string on the lower E string. 3, 4, 2, dead string, dead string. Next up is going to be the F sharp minor 7 flat 5 chord, which is going to be this one right here. Yep, pretty much it's going to be the same chord shape, more or less, but we're just only going to be letting this high E string ring out. Yep. The other one's like this, the other one's like this. And next one is going to be the F sharp diminished add 9 chord. It's going to be this one right here. Yep, so that's going to be dead string, 3, 4, 2, dead string. That's going to be the 4th fret and the high E string. Yep, just like that. Next up is going to be the F sharp minor add sharp 11, which is going to be this one right here. Now this time we're going to be using our index finger to bar the 2nd fret, starting from the high E string down to the G string. It's going to be these strings here. Once again, same chord shape for these two fingers. So that's going to be dead string, 3, 4, 2, 2, 2. Yep. Next up is going to be the G sharp minor 7 chord. So that's going to be 4, dead string, 4, 4, 4, dead string. A major 7 chord. F sharp minor 7 chord. G sharp 7 chord. That's going to be the A minor 7 chord. It's going to be 5, dead string, 5, 5, 5, dead string. G minor 7 chord, that's going to be 3, dead string, 3, 3, 3, dead string. Then lastly, it's going to be the B7 chord, that's going to be dead string, while using an index finger in the 2nd fret, from the A string down to the high E string. So for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be dead string, 2, 4, 2, 4, then 2. Okay, so for the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. It's going to be like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So if you prefer using your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strums, and this part of your thumb for the up strums. It's going to be like this. Down, down, up, down, up. But if you prefer a pick, it's going to be more straightforward than that. It's just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums and upward motions for the up strums. And when it comes to holding a pick, make sure that it's perpendicular to your thumb, like so. And make sure that you pinch it with your index finger, like so, only leaving the tip at the end there that you're going to be used for strumming. And make sure that your arm, your forearms, as well as your wrists is not too tight and not too loose, so that you'll be able to strum comfortably when it comes to playing the guitar. And with that said, the entire strumming pattern will be worked for 3 whole counts when it comes to playing this song, given that the time signature, in my opinion, is going to be 6/8. So the counting is going to be like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so for the intro section of this song, it's a bit complicated, but I'll try my best to explain it. So it's going to be this one right here. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it's going to be the E major chord first for 3 counts, which means it's going to be down, down, up, followed by plucking the 4th fret on the high E string, 2nd fret on the high E string. It's going to be an open string on the B string. So far we have this, followed by the F sharp diminished chord for 1 count. We're just going to be doing 1 simple down strum, like so. It's going to be the F sharp diminished add 9 chord for 1 count as well. F sharp add sharp 11 for 1 count as well. It's going to be the F sharp minor 7 flat 5 chord. It's going to be like this. Yep, slow, it's going to be like this. Once more with the E major chord shape, I'm going to be plucking the open string and the lower E string now this time. 2nd fret D string, 1st fret G string. Yep, it's going to be 4 high E string, 2, open on the B string. It's going to be the F sharp diminished chord for 1 count. Then 1 more for good measure, like so. So just strum it, then strum again. But on that 2nd strum, release the tension in your fingers as quickly as possible. It's going to be like this. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so for the verse sections of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. So first up is going to be the E major chord for 6 counts, which means that we're going to be doing our strumming pattern twice. It's going to be this one right here. G sharp minor 7, A major 7, F sharp minor 7, once more E, G sharp minor 7, A major 7 for 6. Now this time it's going to be the A minor 7 chord for 6 counts. And after that, once again, it's going to be the G sharp minor 7 chord, but this time we're going to be playing it for 12 counts, which means that we're going to be doing our strumming pattern 4 times. It's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be the F sharp minor 7 chord for 12 counts as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, so for this one, based on the YouTube video that he made for this acoustic performance of the song, you could do it like this. But he had another way when it comes to playing that part of the song, which is going to be this one right here. So for this one, we're going to be doing F sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts, which means that we're going to be doing 1 strumming pattern, then 1 down strum afterwards. It's going to be like this. Like so. Then plucking the open string and the lower E string, then 1 slide up to 2, once more. It's going to be like this. Then plucking the 2nd fret on the D string and the 2nd fret on the G string. Then once more F sharp minor 7 chord for 3 counts. Yep, so in 1 smooth motion, it's going to be like this. Just like that. It's going to be the G sharp minor 7 chord for 6 counts. 1, 2. It's going to be the G sharp 7 chord for 6 counts. 1, 2. It's going to be the A major 7 chord for 12 counts once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I saw the look in her eyes. Trains were passing, pictured us dancing, and this feeling caught me by surprise. And this morning you wondered, I've come without notice, and I wish I could tell you what I think it's still. Okay, so for the chorus sections of this song, It's going to be this one right here. Now first up is going to be the E major chord for 6 counts. G sharp minor 7, A major 7, F sharp minor 7, one more, G sharp minor 7, A major 7, F sharp minor 7. Next up is going to be the G sharp minor 7 chord for 9 counts. It's going to be like this, doing a strumming pattern 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then G minor 7 chord for 3 counts. And the F sharp minor 7 chord for 6 counts. And that's going to be the B7 chord for 6 counts as well. Yep, just like that. And as you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I was lost in the motion and struck by the image of you. In the midst of my transit, I felt it beloved of you. To the girl at the station that patiently waited for us to pass. Okay, so when it comes to the bridge section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Just going to be the E major chord for 6 counts. 1, 2. Then the A minor 7 chord for 6 counts. 1, 2. One more. 1, 2, 1. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so for the second verse section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, more or less the same when it comes to the first verse section of this song. Just a little bit of difference in somewhere in between the lines there. So once again, it's going to be the E major chord, G sharp minor 7, A major 7, F sharp minor 7. This time we're going to the G sharp minor 7 chord. It's going to be like this. So it's going to be the G sharp minor 7 chord for 5 counts, which means that we're going to be doing 1 whole strumming pattern, then 2 down strums afterwards. The G minor 7 chord for 1 count basically means only 1 down strum. Then F sharp minor 7 chord for 6 counts. E major 7 for 6. Then A minor 7 for 6. This is going to be the usual afterwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. To think I did not this before. Drive me insane till I see you again. And my foolish descent out the more. Make directions between us. It's you that I dream of, and I wish I could tell you what I'm thinking still. Okay, so lastly for the outro section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So it's going to be the E major chord for 6 counts, A minor 7 chord for 6 counts, then repeating that for a total of 4 repetitions. Then we're going to be finishing the song off with the E major chord. It's going to be like this. 1, 2, 1. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And you'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other Grentperez guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.